What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe. Today, I'm going to talk about Amazon. The next video I upload is going to be about Jeff Bezos himself and what I really like, what he's doing with his money. I hope that every billionaire does this and maybe millionaire. Even if you make money from it, you're helping the earth. I'll talk about that in my next video, but today I'm going to talk about Amazon lunches, Amazon pharmacy, which I knew they were going to do this from last year when I first heard about them getting into the pharmacy business. This is good for the gig drivers until they start doing drone delivery and robot delivery and automation, which will change the game in a number of years. But for right now, this is good for the gig drivers. This will add more value to your presence and maybe more packages to the flex drivers as well. Who knows? This might be something separate because when you're dealing with pharmacy, it's a lot of pills that will be delivered to different people for different various reasons. So I don't know if they're going to have this with the packages already delivered or a separate entity. Maybe it will be the same area, but it has to go hand in hand with the customer, the Prime, as well as Prime members. So a little over 2 years after its acquisition of a pill pack, that's when I first heard about it, that Amazon was getting into the pharmacy business. Amazon finally launched Amazon Pharmacy. So using a secure pharmacy profile, customers can add their insurance information, manage prescriptions, and choose payment options all through Amazon's service. And another small push towards wider healthcare services. I'm not going to read this entire article because it's very long and I don't want to bore you guys to death, but I'm giving you the key points of it. And it's good for my channel because now you can see what you're getting yourself into as a gig driver, Amazon Flex driver as well. Let's see. While Amazon Pharmacy looks to be a US only launch for now, it's a global opportunity. This is going to make Amazon probably $1 trillion right here itself, to be honest with you. As more and more people look to complete everyday errands from home, pharmacy is an important need in addition to Amazon online store, which you guys know, especially in this COVID period. In addition to basic Amazon pharmacy service, Amazon is rolling out special features for Prime members. Those subscribing to Amazon's premium membership tier can receive unlimited free 2-day delivery on Amazon orders. You know what? Amazon also have basics, their own products, so which is still good. I received that I can receive stuff like the same day, you know what I mean, or the very next day. This is crazy, man. Think about this, how you grew up to now. Everything has changed. You have to reinvent yourself or you die off. I've seen that quote so many times. Reinvent yourself or die off as a business. Maybe as a people as well. Who knows? Prime members can save on medications when they pay without insurance on Amazon Pharmacy and receive the same discounts at 50,000 other participating pharmacies nationwide. That is really good, especially for the elderly people as well, man, and people that they're just on a basic fixed income. That is so good. Thank you. Amazon Prime prescription savings benefit can save members up to $805 off generic and 40% off brand name. That is good, man. You got to think about this, and this is great for the gig drivers. Let's see. The launch of the new pharmacy service within Amazon is a blow to other discount prescription services. Maybe they'll sell to Amazon or they will merge with it. Who knows? The competition from Amazon was likely one reason why GoodRx began offering telemedicine services as a point of differentiation. So I believe Amazon only offers that to their employees, which is called, let's see, Amazon Care. It's a virtual in-person healthcare offering for employees only, which is good, man. I know a lot of employees used to hate or talk about Amazon a lot back maybe last summer when it hit the news, but hopefully things are improving in those warehouses as well. In August, Amazon launched its fitness tracker, Halo, the personal health and wellness monitoring. Now, Apple has that as well, and Apple is very big. I read a lot about that Apple Watch, that how it helps your health and everything like that, man. That thing has amazing technology in it. If you guys have the Apple Watch or you have the Amazon fitness tracker, please comment below. Let me know how is that working for you. So, let's see. They already have Whole Foods. Should Amazon roll out as an Amazon Care service to consumers? That is the question. You guys let me know. Thank you for being here. This pharmacy thing is big for gig drivers. I'm all about helping or sharing knowledge on the gig economy. Let's do it, man. 2020 is almost over with. Things are changing. Let's get it. It's all about personal finance and financial freedom. See you guys next time on Financial Pro.